What's the meaning of balloon tyre? Balloon tyre. Balloon tyre.
Balloon tyre. Balloon tyre. A balloon tyre is a type of tyre that features a large and relatively low-pressure inflated chamber. It's also known as a low-pressure tyre or a high-volume tyre. The term balloon refers to the tyre's shape, which resembles a round and bulbous balloon. This type of tyre is commonly found on bicycles, particularly those designed for use on roads and paths. Balloon tires are known for their low rolling resistance, which makes them ideal for comfortable cycling over long distances. They also offer excellent shock absorption, which helps to reduce the impact of bumps and vibrations on the rider, resulting in a smoother, more comfortable ride overall.